Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have compiled the best gun cleaning mats for your gun maintenance. But before we dive into it, we want to hear from you. What specific features or qualities are you looking for in a gun cleaning mat? Is it portability, durability, or maybe something else? Share your preferences in the comments below, and let's find the perfect gun cleaning mat together. The first product on our list is Rush Creek Creations. This is a must-have accessory for any gun owner. It's made with durable waxed canvas material, which not only provides excellent protection for your firearms, but also gives it a stylish and rugged look. One of the standout features of this gun cleaning mat is its portability. It comes with a convenient handle, allowing you to easily carry it wherever you go. This mat is designed to withstand various weather conditions, so you can focus on your gun maintenance without any distractions. The Rush Creek Creations gun cleaning mat offers a generous surface area, providing enough space for your firearms and accessories. So whether you're a seasoned shooter or a beginner, this mat is designed to enhance your gun cleaning and shooting experience. Its portability, weather-resistant features, and storage pockets make it a must-have accessory. The second one is Gun Cleaning Mat. This mat is made of high-quality materials, specifically a thick rubber that provides a non-slip surface. This means you can comfortably work on your firearms without worrying about them sliding around. The surface of the gun cleaning mat is designed to be oil and solvent resistant. So, if any cleaning agents spill, or if you accidentally apply too much lubricant, you don't have to worry about damaging your work surface. It has designated compartments and slots for holding gun parts, ensuring that everything stays organized and easily accessible during the cleaning process. The gun cleaning mat comes with embedded magnet pads, which are perfect for keeping small springs and parts in place. No more losing tiny screws or springs while you're working on your gun. This mat is foldable and comes with a carrying case box, making it convenient to transport and store until your next cleaning session. The next one is Real Avid Universal Smart Mat. This mat measures 43 x 16 inches, providing ample space to work on your firearms. One of the most convenient aspects of this mat is the built-in parts tray. With its bright red color, it makes it easy to spot small screws, springs, and other tiny components during disassembly. It's specifically designed to resist gun oils and solvents, ensuring its longevity. The thick padding provides a comfortable surface for your firearms and prevents any accidental scratches or dings. This mat is not just limited to gun cleaning. Its size and functionality make it a versatile accessory for various tasks. Its versatility truly adds value to your investment. Still on our list is Drymate Gun Cleaning Pad. It is designed with premium quality materials to provide you with a durable and reliable gun cleaning experience. Its patented Drymate material is highly absorbent, allowing it to trap and contain liquids. Whether you're cleaning firearms, rifles, or handguns, the Drymate Gun Cleaning Pad offers a spacious surface area of 16 inches x 59 inches to comfortably accommodate your cleaning needs. When you're done with your gun cleaning session, simply fold the Drymate Gun Cleaning Pad for easy storage. Its compact size allows you to conveniently tuck it away until your next cleaning session. The last one on our list is BOOSTEADY Gun Cleaning Mat. This mat measures 35.5 inches by 12.1 inches, providing ample space for you to work on your firearms. It's made from high-quality materials that ensure durability and longevity, making it a reliable companion for years to come. One of the standout features of this mat is its anti-slip backing. No more worrying about your mat sliding around while you're cleaning your guns. The high-quality material used in the mat ensures that it's resistant to oils, solvents, and other cleaning chemicals. In conclusion, the BOOSTEADY Gun Cleaning Mat is an exceptional accessory for any gun owner. With its durability and user-friendly features, this mat is a worthwhile investment for maintaining and caring for your firearms. That wraps up our today's review of the best gun cleaning mats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content.